Hi, first grade. We're back. Okay, are you ready for our first game? It's our rhyming game. So listen for the two words that rhyme. I'm going to give you three words. It's going to go like this. I'm going to give you words like flip, clip, and plot. And you repeat the two that rhyme. Those two were flip and clip. Ready for the next step? Glass, blank, class. Which two rhyme? Glass and class are your rhyming words. Okay, ready for the next? Next up is glare, blame, flame. Which two rhyme? Blame and flame are your rhyming words. And last, play, flow, blow. Which two rhyme? Flow and blow. They both sound the same at the end. Good job. All right, next up, I'm going to give you two words. They both start with the same two sounds. It's actually two sounds that they start with that are going to be exactly the same. You just have to repeat my words and then repeat the two sounds that they both start with. So for example, if my words were flavor and flatten, you would have to say flavor, flatten, full, because that's what they both start with. Are you ready? Place, plenty. So repeat those. Place, plenty, pull is what they both start with. And sticky, stapler. So repeat, sticky, stapler, and they both start with st. Good job. And last, spotless, spirit. Repeat those. And they both start with sp. Good job. All right, choppers out. Ready? I'm going to give you the sounds. You blend them together to make a word. G, O, A, V. Glove. S, O, I, S. Slice. F, O, I, T. Flight. G, O, O. Glow. And last one, K, O, A, K. Clock. Awesome. Okay, we are listening for that middle sound, which means we are going to use our roller coasters to do this. So I'm going to give you the word. We're going to say that word as we go up over the roller coaster, and then we're listening for what we said when we were up at the top. Are you ready? Your word is floss. Say floss. Floss. What did we say at the top? Ah, that was our middle sound. Are you ready for the next one? Slide. I almost forgot what it was. Ready? Slide. What was in the middle? I. A long vowel sound. Next up, clean. Ready? Clean. What was in the middle? E. Good. And so another long vowel sound. And last one is sled. Ready? Sled. Was in the middle. Awesome. Okay, choppers are back. I'm going to give you a word and you chop apart all of the sounds. Ready? Your first word is flag. F-O-A-G. Next up, your word is glad. G-O-A-D. Your word is plain. P-O-A-N. Your word is blend. Be careful. B-O-N-D. Did you get all five? And last one, your word is flake. F-O-A-K. Nice work. All right, can you guys say lead? Add B to the beginning. What's my word? Bleed. Can you say lump? Add K to the beginning. Clump. Say lash. Add F to the beginning. Flash. Say lied. Add S. Slide. And say limp. Add B. Blimp. Good job. Now say the whole word plain. Take away P. What's left? lane. Say the whole word, slate. Take away s. Late is left. Say clap. Take away k. Lap is left. Say pledge. Take away p. Ledge is left. Say clash. Take away k. Lash is left. Okay, last up. Two fists because we're changing our sounds in our words. First, say race. Change r to pull. Place. New word. Say moss. Change to full. Floss. Good job. New word. Say sock. Change s to bull. Block is your word. New word. Say pitch. Change p to goal. Glitch is your word. Good. All right. New word. Say cheer. Change ch to cool. Clear is your new word. Nice work, guys. All right. That's it for today. Go have a great rest of your day. Do awesome work. See you later.